Have you seen the beauty and versatility of luxury vinyl tile lately? Georgia Carpet Industries has them all for you. Since 1969, we have helped thousands of satisfied customers turn their houses into stunning homes. Not only are we one of the top carpet companies in Georgia, but we also excel in our luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring department. We have some of the best types of vinyl flooring in the world. Our tiles give you the choice of gorgeous visuals of marble or porcelain tile flooring, but without all the maintenance and concerns that come with a real stone floor. Luxury vinyl tile is water resistant and easy to clean, making it extremely cost-effective compared to real wood planks or real tile. We carry all major brands like Armstrong, Shaw, Karndean, Mohawk, Mannington and Congoleum, to name a few. This is the perfect choice to beautify your home or commercial property. Our professional staff is here to help you choose which tile is best for your application, and we ship nationwide. To order your luxury vinyl tile, visit georgiacarpet.com or call 1-800-510-0655 today.